चैताली हियर अगेन और आज हम हमारे नए आउटलेट पे आए हैं. दिस इज तनूज फ्रैंकी. सो दिस आउटलेट हैज़ बीन हियर सिंस ईयर्स. सो लेट्स सी आज हमारे पास यहाँ पे ट्राई करने के लिए क्या क्या है और हम क्या चीज़ें आज खा सकते हैं, क्या नई चीज़ें ट्राई कर सकते हैं. सो लेट्स गो. यहाँ पे 3 डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ फ्रैंकीज ऑर्डर किया है. सो दे सब वेज ऑल्सो, दे सब नॉन वेज ऑल्सो. सो द फर्स्ट फ्रैंकी दैट आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड इज दिस वेज मंचूरियन फ्रैंकी. सो आई एम गोइंग टू गिव दिस अ ट्राई फर्स्ट. देखते हैं इसका टेस्ट कैसा है. तो ये वेज फ्रैंकी है, इसमें मंचूरियन भी है. तो इट हैज़ दैट यूनिक Chinese Manchurian wala taste also. They all the vegetables also has a lot of mayonnaise, which is my favorite in a frankie. So I'm going to finish this up. Second frankie which I am going to taste is this egg Szechuan noodles frankie. Amazing, it's really nice. A lot of noodles. It has vegetables at the same time and it has eggs as well. It's amazing. Okay, so last but not the least, this is my favorite. And मैं यहाँ पे बहुत टाइम पहले आ चुकी हूँ. This vlog is for you guys. This is my favorite frankie. This is double egg and double chicken. So it has an outer covering of an egg. The frankie, the base in between and the inner layer is also covered with an omelette. And it has the best delicious chicken gravy I've ever had in a frankie. So I'm going to give this a try. देखते हैं ये कैसा लगता है. As usual, amazing. The chicken is so juicy. It has an amazing gravy in it. I love it. आप सबको तो पता ही होगा जो लोग बाजार में रहते हैं वैसे में रहते हैं. ये आउटलेट ओल्ड बिगा कॉलेज के एग्जैक्टली सामने है. तो कभी भी आ सकते हो. दे हैव अमेजिंग प्राइसेस. दे हैव अ ह्यूज रेंज ऑफ अ मेन्यू. So guys can come and walk in here. I would definitely want to then I'm going to finish this. They also have shawarmas. They also have momos in their menu. तो आपको अगर वो चीज़ें ट्राई करनी है तो आप उसके लिए भी यहाँ पे आ सकते हैं. Hi guys, this is Chaitali here from Hungry Soul and today we are here at our second outlet which is Free Shoes. So I am going to try some of their new dishes. It is a newly opened outlet. I suggest you to come visit them and let's see what all they have for us to taste. I have ordered this spicy momos with curry. I have ordered Tuscan with flat noodles and I have ordered steaks as well. I cannot pick this up. And we also have some chaat here. We have ordered their monster truck pani puri. So we're going to give it a try to each one of them. So let's see how it goes. I'm going to eat the momos first. So they have served this with the curry. I am going to taste it. It has this unique cheesy taste in it. It is not so spicy, it is super delicious. I love it. So the second thing which I am going to try is this Tuscan with flat noodles. This is non-veg, okay, and it has become a little cold because we've been kept it here since a long time. how to tell you guys the taste. It is not so spicy. It is not so dull. It is cheesier at the same time, and it also has some vegetables in it, which is the good thing. And it has chicken as well. The thing which I am going to try is their steak sizzler. It has this gravy kind of thing in the rice with the sizzler. It is amazing. And they have put this, I guess, little potatoes to the side, which is stuffed with vegetables, and they are also covered with cheese. They have put vegetables on the other side as well, and there is a big chicken piece in the middle, which I am not able to cut. So the people who stay or reside nearby Virar, or who are like travel freaks who can travel for food, you surely bump into this street. You can visit here all the time, they're open all the time. Trust me, they have amazing food. The last thing which I am going to give a try is this Pani Puri ka monster truck. Let's see how it goes. Wow, there's this perfect taste for the chaat. It is not so spicy, it is not so sour, it is not so sweet as well. It is amazing. I'm going to eat this continuously because it is so yummy. So last but not the least, we are trying this real fruit ice creams. So मैंने तो apple flavored order किया है. So let's see how this tastes. This is actually made up of apples और उसके अंदर जो है उसकी आइसक्रीम की फिलिंग्स है. So let's see how this tastes. So this is actually a butterscotch ice cream. इसमें अंदर butterscotch filling है और the outer layer is total apple. I have had all the food. मैंने सब खत्म नहीं किया है basically. बट या मैं अभी ये सब सारी चीज़ें खत्म करने जा रही हूँ. आप लोग भी आके यहाँ पे ट्राई कर सकते हैं. द आउटलेट इज देयर न्यू विवा कॉलेज. आप लोग भी आइए, सारी चीज़ें ट्राई करिए. दिस इज अ न्यूली ओपन्ड आउटलेट एंड आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई द नेक्स्ट आउटलेट. लेट मी फिनिश दिस वन एंड विल गेट इनटू दैट. So here we are at our third outlet, which is Bubble Bee. So I have tried eating Belgian waffles and many more waffles, but this is a new outlet which is opened in Virar. Let's see what they have for us and we can check them out and go in. तिरामिसू बबल वॉफल. उसमें किटकैट्स भी है, उसमें चॉकलेट स्टिक्स भी है, उसमें बहुत सारा तिरामिसू फ्लेवर्ड आइसक्रीम है. सो आई विल ट्राई टू ईट दिस. मतलब बिना गिरा है. So tiramisu is basically a coffee flavored ice cream. It is a coffee kind of thing. If you guys love coffee, if you guys are fan of coffee, अगर कुछ coffee के related कुछ try करना है, so this is it. This is the one. Waffle ज़्यादा hard भी नहीं है. It's really soft. It's really nice. No too much of chocolate. परफेक्ट, इट्स जस्ट परफेक्ट. चॉकलेट और कॉफी का यूनिक कॉम्बिनेशन बोल सकते हैं इसको. सो बबल बी उनके वॉफल्स और उनकी बबल टीज के लिए फेमस है. सो दिस इज द वन दैट आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड. ये है द जोकर. सो मैं इसको टेस्ट करने वाली हूँ अभी. इट्स परफेक्टली मेड. इसके नीचे छोटे छोटे बबल्स है. आई मीन आई डोंट नो व्हाट दैट इज, बट इट्स नाइसली मेड. वाओ, दैट स्ट्रॉबेरी फ्लेवर्ड बबल जस्ट मेरे मुंह में उसका टेस्ट आया एंड इट जस्ट बर्स्ट. उसके अंदर से अलग स्ट्रॉबेरी फ्लेवर पॉप अप हुआ है. इट्स वेरी नाइस. सो जो लोग विरार में है, वसई में है, एज आई टेल यू गाइज, ये आउटलेट है डोमिनोज के सामने नियर ओल्ड विवा कॉलेज. दिस इज अ न्यूली ओपन्ड आउटलेट. वी हैव बेल्जियम वॉफल एज वेल, बट दिस इज अ न्यू वर्जन ऑफ दैट विच इज बबल बी. सो अगर आपको ये सारी चीजें ट्राई करनी है, यू कैन कम एंड बम्प इन हियर एनी टाइम दैट यू वांट. We thought of ending विरार का सफर on a sweet note and मौसम भी बहुत अच्छा है, ठंडी भी हो रही है. So we thought we'll try something hot and yummy at the same time. So we are today here at Coco on Wheels to try out their hot chocolate beverages and more things. So let's see आज हम क्या क्या खा सकते हैं और क्या नया नया ट्राई कर सकते हैं. Okay, so we saw their menu and menu में हमको ये चीज़ मिली है. So this is jelly cream. So देखते हैं. Actually I have no idea how it tastes or how it is supposed to be tasted. So it is jelly and whipped cream and some sprinkles on top of it. It is the lightest form of jelly that I've had. So this is hot chocolate with choco chips. So actually it is so hot. Wow. choco chips देख रहे हो कितने सारे डाले हैं भर भर के सब. बहुत सही है, बहुत सही है. It is perfect. It is very hot, okay? And in such an amazing weather, having this cup is just delicious. We're also trying one more thing, which is a brownie waffle. Not waffle exactly, but then yeah, a brownie which is also flavored. So until then, देख रहे हो इसको, इसमें से कितना सारा गरम गरम स्टीम बाहर आ रहा है. Wow. So last but not the least, we have ordered brownie with chocolate cream on top of it. So let's give that a try. Wow, brownie is perfectly baked. It's good. It's yummy. And this food truck, this Coco on Wheels truck, it was a car before. They started it on a car and now they've grown so much into this. This outlet is exactly opposite to Kingston Court in Virar West. So you guys can come here after 7:30. They are open till 11 o'clock tonight. You guys can come here anytime that you want and have this amazing treats over here. On this note, we are ending this video and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.